Don't you just wish sometimes that you can just edit so much faster? Now you have to sit there for like 2 hours and edit the whole thing. But what if I told you that there is a faster way using Filmora? Wait, what do you mean? Well, what I mean is there is so much AI features built into Filmora that makes your editing process so much faster. But let me share with you my 3 top favorite editing AI features with Filmora that makes my life as a creator so much simpler. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first one I want to talk about is AI stabilization. Now this is a feature I only found about recently, and trust me, it helps me so much when creating, whether it be B-roll or something that the camera is very shaky. So let's just import this clip, for example. Just say import, and here is the clip. As you guys can see, it is extremely shaky. I mean, look at this. So what you want to do is you will simply want to double press, and then you want to go to AI tools, then you scroll down until you find stabilization. And you simply turn that on, and then you can either decide, do you want the normal stabilization, do you want it a bit stronger, a bit weaker. So let's just go with the normal one and say click to start analyzing. Now please note, it will crop in a bit on your video, but not that much. Unless you choose the strong option, then it will crop in a whole lot more. But let's just run it through, and there you have it. Now your video is looking way better than it did before with the stabilization feature. So that is firstly. Let's go to the second one. Okay, so the second feature is the one I made a previous video about, but this is just so cool. So let me just show you what I mean. So this is simply, you just import another video, and this one you have to be talking. So then you simply, once again, you go to this page right here, and then which is the speech to text option, and then you say add automatic active words, and then say generate. Now this is a very cool way to generate captions in your videos without having to type out every single word that is in your video, and that saves me a lot of time. So let's just let it run. Okay, so once that is done, your video would now look like this with these AI captions that is already made for you. And please note, I didn't type out any of this. This is all just AI, and obviously you can tweak this in any way you want, but also it saves you a lot of time. Now let's go to the third one. Okay, so the third and final one is once you're here in your main page of Filmora, here at the side it will say smart short clips. Now I'm not going to show you the entire thing. If you want to see that video, you can simply press right here. But basically what this does is you can import like a 10-minute long video, and it will turn it into segments of little short clips that you can post of Reels or TikToks or YouTube Shorts. And I think that saves you so much time because it does all of the editing for you, and I think that is just such a cool feature. Okay, so there you have it. Now those are the 3 fun features that I use all the time in Filmora that speeds up my editing process and just makes my life so much easier as a content creator. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see all of the cool features in Filmora 14, that video would be right here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.